The Umkhonto weSizwe Party snatched the EFF's number 3 spot in terms of major parties, and then it led its Deputy President Floyd Shivambu, but the Umkhonto weSizwe Party Deputy President John Hlophe said that the intention is not to destroy the economic freedom fighters. He said Shivambu is a very experienced politician. He is sharp like a razor, adding Shivambu's deployment as the party's national organizer was based on merit. Shivambu's resignation from the EFF has caused turmoil in the party, with Julius Malema lashing out earlier this week and repeatedly referring to betrayal for personal gains. Shivambu, a founding member of the Economic Freedom Fighters, was announced as the MK Party's national organizer on Thursday at the briefing. Shivambu said he is not in the business of pleasing the egos of those who feel betrayed, warning against a very strong egos in position. He got a hero's welcome at Jacob Zuma's Umkhonto weSizwe Party. Zuma hailed Shivambu as a real, honest politician and said, "This comrade will come to the books of history. He has done something that many will not do because his politics is scientific. That is why his action has become a big issue. He takes decisions at the right time for good reasons." The party, which is less than a year old, pushed the Economic Freedom Fighters from number 3 to number 4 position in terms of the biggest political parties. The EFF received a modest 9.5% of the vote in the national elections. It had anticipated its support would increase, while the new kid on the block got 14.5%, taking the EFF spot. Julius Malema and Jacob Zuma were at each other's throats when Zuma was a president, but in recent years have rekindled their relationship. Malema had said they welcomed Zuma in the political space, warning him of the challenges of forming a new political party. 2 weeks before the elections, the EFF's Mboyiseni Ndlozi asked Zuma to quit politics. The Umkhonto weSizwe Party has led other notable names, including former ministers Nathi Nhleko and Des van Rooyen. What's your take on this one, people? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.